Don't defrost your chicken breast. Today I'm going to teach you a quick, easy and delicious dinner. Let's start the recipe by grating half a kilo of frozen chicken breast. Put all the grated chicken in a bowl. This recipe is very delicious. If you make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. Now we are going to grate 2 medium potatoes and squeeze them a little to remove the excess liquid. Add them to the same bowl that we put the chicken in. Now add half an onion, chopped, 1 whole egg, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, add the oregano, and half a tablespoon of black pepper. Here we will also grate 100 grams of cheese. Let's put all the grated cheese in the bowl. Now mix it very well so that all the ingredients are homogeneous. Don't forget to tell me which city you're from, so I can send you a super hug. I'll love to answer you, and don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. In a frying pan, put a small amount of olive oil. Also put a tablespoon of butter. After melting the butter, put all the dough in the frying pan and spread it well. Put the lid on and let it fry for about 15 minutes, or until golden brown. This recipe is very delicious, the flavor is amazing, I'm sure you'll love it. Turn with the help of a plate, and when golden brown, fry the other side for about 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready, super easy to do, super healthy and with ingredients that you have at home. Do it and then tell me what you thought. I love this recipe. I will repeat it several times during the week. I hope you liked it. Stay with God. Thank you all who have watched us, and until the next video.